I am a registered offender. I stuck my into a blender. Your mom is a transgender. I am a professional. You know that I be dominating. My are rotating. Ice on my wrist, I could go skating. Between thick thighs, I'm suffocating. I have a huge I in my sock. I walk around in Crocs. It's harder than a rock. I in school, cause you know I'm cool. I jump inside my pool. I take a hit from my jewel. I don't actually smoke, but I make your choke. Once I give someone a stroke, my like oak. You know I'm dropping fire. You can sing my songs in the choir. They call me Quagmire. No they don't, but at least it rhymes. Hey! Alright everyone, sing along to this next part. Inside your mom. Yeah! Hey! Inside your mom. Woo! Alright, here we go.
It's your mom, summer.
Winzip, I love you so much.
Hey, you know I love being I eat for breakfast. Ice on my necklace. I had with my dentist. My fan base is getting bigger. Your is a gold digger. I wear a Tommy Hilfiger while I pull on the trigger. Whoa, that was risky. My turned 60. She knows my is sticky, but her is squeaky like Mickey. My lines are hotter than the stars when I'm dropping these crazy bars. My has filled the jars and stained so many cars. Hey.